Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase your FPS when playing Apex Legends.
Steps on me.
With arrival of Season 14 in Apex, many people complain that they have FPS drop and performance issue when running the game. So we will go over some settings in Windows, and also in game, to try to fix these issues. Before we start, hit that like button, and I will be right back. Okay. First thing you will do is to update two things on your computer that you need to keep updated all the time, and that is your graphic card and your Windows. To update your graphic card, or to check does your card have any updates, you will right-click on Start button, and select Device Manager up here. This window will open. Expand Display Adapters, and here you will see your display adapter. So right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If there are no updates here, you can open web browser, and go on your graphic driver manufacturer website, and search driver for your graphic card. I use NVIDIA GeForce Experience, so I will open it, and check for updates. If you use AMD or Intel graphic, you can also check in their applications for updates. To check do you have any pending Windows updates, you need to left-click on Start, and select Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click here on Check for updates, and if there are any, install them and restart your computer. Next is to enable game mode. Left-click on Start, and select Settings. Here click on Gaming, and then on the left side, click on Game Mode. Here, you will toggle this switch to turn on game mode. Next thing is to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Click up here on the graphic settings. Turn on this option on, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Then down here, you will click on Browse, and then you will go in Apex Legends installation folder. I have installed Apex on my D drive, so I will go there. If you don't know where your Apex is installed, then you probably haven't changed anything, so it should go in this location you see on your screen. C. Program Files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Apex Legends, or in C. Program Files, x86, Origin Games, Apex Legends, depending do you play over Steam or Origin. Inside Apex Legends folder, click on this R5 Apex file, and click here on Add. Now click here on Options, and select High Performance, and then click on Save. Restart your PC before launching Apex. Now, you will disable background apps. Go back here, and select Privacy. Go all the way down, and select Background Apps. For best game performance you will toggle this switch to off. This will prevent all these apps to run in background, and use your computer RAM and CPU, and in that way, your game will run much smoother. If you really need to let some app to run in background, you can do it by turning this switch to on, and then manually disable app, and enable only ones you need to be running. Next is to do some Windows cleaning. Right-click on Start, and select Run. Type temp in search box, and press Enter. Here click on any of these files and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This will select all these files inside this folder. Now right-click on any of them, and select Delete, or press Delete on your keyboard. If any of these files Windows use right now, you won't be able to delete it. So on Warning window, just click on Skip. Close this. And again, go to Start. Then Run. And now type %, temp, %, and press Enter. Again, click on any of these files and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Then right-click and delete, or press Delete on your keyboard. Skip any file that can't be deleted, and close this window. Go again on Start, right-click, Run, type Prefetch, and hit Enter. Here click on Continue. Do the same process. Ctrl+A, and then delete. That was the settings you can do in Windows. And now I will run my Apex, and we will go over settings there. Okay. You will click on this cog icon in the lower right corner. Select Settings, and then click on Video tab up here. Display mode. Full screen. Aspect ratio. Set this to your monitor native resolution. Resolution. Native monitor resolution. Brightness. Set as you wish. Field of view. Set as you wish. I prefer 110. FOV ability scaling. Disabled. Sprint view shake. Minimal. V-Sync. Disabled. NVIDIA Reflex. Disabled. Adaptive Resolution FPS target. Set to 0. Anti-aliasing. TSAA. Texture streaming budget. I have 8 GB of VRAM, so I have set it to 6 GB VRAM. If you have 6 GB, set it at 4. For graphic adapters with 4 GB of VRAM, set it to 3, or 2 to 3. Don't go under 2 GB, because game will look awful. Texture filtering. Anisotropic 16x. Ambient occlusion quality. Disabled. Sun shadow coverage. Low. Sun shadow detail. Low. Spot shadow detail. Low. Volumetric lighting. Disabled. Dynamic spot shadows. Disabled. Model detail. I prefer on high, but you can set medium. Effects detail. Medium. Impact marks. Low. Ragdolls. Low. And that was mine in game settings. Of course, you can always adjust yours to your personal preferences. With this, we came to end of this tutorial. If you find this video useful, please leave a like, and subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next, easy way tutorial. Bye.